If your CapCut desktop cursor is stuck in razor blade split mode, don't worry, this is an easy fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off razor blade split mode in CapCut PC so you can get back to normal editing fast. This is one of those small problems that can be really frustrating when you're trying to trim clips, move footage, or make simple edits, and suddenly every click feels like it could cut your timeline again. The good news is, there are a couple of super quick ways to turn it off. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The fastest method is to use your keyboard shortcut. First, make sure your timeline is active by clicking once inside the timeline panel. This is important because CapCut needs to know where you're working before the shortcut will respond. Once the timeline is selected, press the A key on your keyboard. On most Windows and PC setups, this instantly switches you back to the normal selection tool, which is the regular arrow cursor. If A doesn't work on your setup, try pressing V instead. In many editing apps, V is the standard shortcut for the selection pointer, and it can bring you right back out of blade mode. If you're using a Mac or a different key layout, you may also find that S works as the shortcut to return to the normal cursor. So if one shortcut doesn't do it, try the next one. Now, one very common mistake is thinking that pressing B again will turn off the razor tool. In CapCut, B is what activates the blade tool, but pressing it again does not always switch you back the way you might expect. That's why A, V, or S is usually the better fix. If the keyboard shortcuts still do not respond, don't worry, there is another easy method. Look at the toolbar directly above your timeline in the CapCut desktop app. You should see the blade icon, and right next to it, there should be a mouse pointer or arrow icon. That arrow icon is the normal selection tool. Click it once, and CapCut should immediately switch your cursor back from the razor blade to the standard pointer. Once you see the arrow cursor again, you're back in normal editing mode and safe to select, move, trim, and edit your clips without accidentally splitting them. This manual method is especially useful if you've changed your keyboard shortcuts, if a shortcut is not working, or if you just want to use the interface instead of the keyboard. So to quickly recap, if CapCut PC is stuck in split mode, click into the timeline and press A, V, or S to return to the selection tool, or use the arrow icon next to the blade tool on the timeline toolbar. That's it. Super simple, super fast, and now you can keep editing without the razor blade getting in your way. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy CapCut fixes and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.